What is waste? Anything that does not added value but added only cost to the product. Hidden wastage in garments. Most commonly, wastage of garments is 70% to 95%. Even the best lean manufacturer waste up to 30% of their resources. So, it is obvious that there are so many hidden wastes in our organization. There are three types of activities, that is value added activity, non value added activity, and necessary non value added work. Value added activity are activity which transform the material into the exact product that the customer requires. It is the activity for which customer will agree to pay. Example, slip joint cutting. Non-value activity are activities which are not required to transforming the material into the product that the customer wants. Anything which is non-value added may be defined as waste. Customer will not pay for non-value added activity. Example, quality check, sleeve or armhole opening task. Necessary non-value added work are activity that does not added value from the perspective of the customer but are necessary to produce the product or services. For example, panel marking.